Good morning, dear students. It's your first period of computer science. In last period, we have been completed chapter 4. Now, today we are going to start chapter 5, that is viewing presentations in OpenOffice Impress open source. In this chapter, we will be discussed about the various presentation views such as normal view, slide sorter view, notes view, and slideshow view. And the difference between different views and the use of them efficiently. And we are also discuss about the use of shortcut keys to open different views. Presentation views. There are some presentation views such as normal view, slide sorter view, notes view, and slideshow view. Today we will be discuss about normal and the slide sorter view, and next two views will be discussed in the next video. First of all, normal view. This is the default and main view in which we design and edit our presentations. Usually, whenever a presentation is opened, it opens in this view. As indicated in this screen. However, if we wish to switch over to normal view from any other view, following steps should be used. Click on view in menu bar and then click on normal as shown in this picture. Or in other method, click on the tab titled normal present on the view panel as shown in the given picture. This will immediately change the view to normal view. Now, slide sorter view. In this view, slides appear in small form or thumbnail form. This view is very helpful if we wish to see all the slides together on the single screen in order to change the slide sequence or to take printout of the slide. Now here is also a step to switch over to slide shorter view. Click on view in the menu bar and then click on slide shorter. You will get following display on the screen. As you see in this picture. Or in another way, click on the tab titled Slide Shorter present on the view panel as shown in the given diagram. This will immediately change the view to slide shorter view. In slide shorter view, slides will appear in the miniature form. We can change the slide order or sequence by changing the slide to new position. Now here are the steps to change the slide sequence. First you select that slide which we want to bring back or forth. Then press the left mouse button, drag the mouse back or forth as required, which holding it down and then release the button. As in this picture, first slide is moved after second slide in the picture. A screen showing new slide order or sequence after moving first slide after second slide. In this view, we can even change the number of slides that can be viewed in one horizontal row by specifying the desired number in the box as shown in this picture. Here is a box to set number of slides in one horizontal row. In this case, there are 5 slides can be seen in one horizontal row, and in this case 3 slides can be seen in one horizontal row. Now these two views has been completed, and the next two views we will be discussed in the next video. I hope all the students understand the topics I discussed in this video. If you have laptop or computer at your home, please try to do. Thank you and have a nice day.